I'm happy to introduce Futureshift, the most advanced lab on the Anant University campus. Now, Futureshift is this one place, or what we call as a dream shop, where people walk in, students walk in with their ideas and walk out with a fully functional prototype. Staffed with some of the best people in the business with knowledge of engineering and design, with some of the most advanced computing systems, 3D printers, laser cutters, and snap makers. It allows us to conceive anything that we consider is an example of good design. Look around you. This is a magnificent place where dreams are born. The motto of this lab is Future meets design here. And what we do here is to encourage students to look into the future, adopt technologies such as virtual reality, immersive media, 3D printing, consumer robotics to conceive of a better tomorrow for the citizens of this country. Perhaps not just this country, perhaps the world.